Sure. Here's a script for a 10-minute YouTube video about life in Ghana. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on a virtual journey to West Africa, specifically Ghana. We'll be exploring the vibrant culture, traditions, and daily life of the people in this beautiful country. So let's dive right in. Ghana, located on the West African coast, is known for its warm hospitality and rich cultural heritage. With a population of over 30 million, it's a country that celebrates diversity and unity. The cultural diversity in Ghana is astounding. With over 100 ethnic groups, each has its own unique traditions, languages, and customs. The major ones are Akan, Mole-Dagbon, Ewe, Ga-Dangme, and many more. Ghanaians love to celebrate their traditions through vibrant festivals. One of the most famous is the Hogbetsotso festival of the Anlo Ewe people, where they commemorate their migration to their current settlement. Family plays a central role in Ghanaian society. Extended families often live together, and elders are highly respected for their wisdom and guidance. Children are raised with a strong sense of community. Education is highly valued in Ghana. The government provides free basic education, and you'll find schools even in remote villages. Children wear colorful uniforms and are eager to learn. Ghanaians are skilled craftsmen. From intricate kente cloth weaving to beautiful adinkra symbols, their traditional crafts are sought after worldwide. Ghana's rhythmic beats and energetic dances are infectious. Music is an integral part of their culture and is used in various ceremonies and festivals. Ghanaian cuisine is a delight for foodies. From the famous jollof rice to mouth-watering fufu with soup, the flavors are a true reflection of their diverse heritage. Soccer is the most popular sport in Ghana, and you'll find children playing it everywhere. The national team, the Black Stars, is adored by the entire nation. Ghana's natural beauty is awe-inspiring, with lush rainforests, stunning waterfalls, and diverse wildlife. Eco-tourism is on the rise, and that's a glimpse of life in Ghana. From its welcoming people to its vibrant culture, this country has so much to offer. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and feel inspired to visit Ghana one day. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, thank you for watching. See you next time.